G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to Pouring Your Heart Out. I'm going to do a swipe today, and I'm going to use, because for me it's New Year's Day today, so Happy New Year. You'll see this video a few days later, no doubt, but I thought something like fireworks sort of a look. So I'm going with metallic gold, metallic silver, and then I'm going to swipe with black and see if we can get lots of cells and sort of looking a little bit like fireworks. Now, I didn't want to make up any more pouring medium, so I found this. It's glue, Floetrol and water. Now, because it's got Floetrol in it, I'm not expecting like the cells to be amazing. They're not going to be nice and round. Probably going to be a little bit wobbly, but that's okay. I'm sure it'll be a nice one anyway, but that's what I've used. And I've mixed that equal parts of the pouring medium to my artist loft. I've got the gold, I've got the silver, and the black. The gold was a bit thick and lumpy. It's pretty old. It's been sitting there for a while. I had to add a bit more water, so hopefully there's not too many lumps in it. I found a few lumps as I was stirring, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Oh, there's another one there. Look at that. So anyway, it is what it is. It's getting old. I've got my treadmill silicone oil, and I'm just going to put it in the gold and the silver. I've got a little bit extra gold than the silver because I want more gold to come through, especially with black. So let's do, well, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're a bit bigger, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, let's see how that goes. And I'm going to swipe today with my piece of plastic, and because my plastic's the same size as this canvas, I'll be able to just hopefully just swipe once and then swipe once. Do like a little reflection pour. Maybe it'll look like fireworks reflecting over a river or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So yes, I'm just going, oh, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter canvas, 12 by 16 inches, and I'm basically just going to cover the surface, and then I'll tilt, and we'll just tip all the paint over the edges a little bit. Not all, well, we want to cover the edges, but we want to keep a lot of the paint on the surface as well, because nice thick paint, and I don't mean consistency, but a nice amount of paint on the surface will give you better cells, because then you know, the cells can come up through the different layers of paint. All right, here we go. Put the gold on. I'm going to use all this paint because I've made it, and why not? I think I did, what did I do? I did 60 grams of pouring medium and 60 grams of paint for the silver. The gold's probably 80 and 80. The black, I just did 30 grams, 1 ounce of pouring medium and 1 ounce of black. I didn't want it too thin. I mean, it's a different consistency to the metallics anyway, so I didn't want it too thin. Oh, this is going to be tricky trying to cover everything. Like, it's not, it is a little bit thicker than what I would normally use. Because it's a metallic, I do like them to be a little bit more on the thick side. So just take your time, cover the whole surface. Let the paint run over the edges. Try not to lose too much. You can always just use your fingers to cover the sides a little bit. I think we're over. Other side. It's not going to look very good while it's wet. You know, metallics just don't while they're wet. But when it dries, and I will show you the dry piece like in a video coming up, like in a week or something, once it's fully dried. Then I can show you the finished video. How's that side looking? Oops, haven't gone quite over that side, have I? That'll do. Let's bring the weight of the paint back into the middle. And there we go. Now, let me wipe my hands, and I'm going to see if there's any little bits that I need to pick out. Make sure my sides are all done. All right, let me clean my gloves off. It's looking pretty just as it is. Now, where's my tweezers? I might give it a torch just to pop some bubbles. Oops, actually, no, I won't, because there's oil in there. We don't want the cells to come up just yet. It's all right. Once I swipe, the bubbles will go. Now, piece of paper towel just there to catch my drips. This is my bit of swiping plastic, just a piece of plastic. I like a little bit of weight to it. I don't like it too thin, otherwise it just sort of sits on top. I like it to kind of drop down a little bit. Okay, now you don't need much black. I'm trying to work out where the center is, and start off the canvas so that you don't have a big blob there. Looks a bit thick to me. I'm just going to add a tiny splash of water to it. There we go. I was just a bit worried. If your colour that you're swiping with is too thick, it's difficult for the cells to pop up through your black. So your swipe colour does need to be a little bit thinner than your other colours. Okay. Right, here we go. It's not very straight, is it? So you don't need very much at all. Right, here we go. Are you ready? Ready, spaghetti? Hopefully I can... Actually, I'm just going to put a tiny bit more on because I've gone crooked there. And I do need my, oh my gosh, I think I had more on the outside of my, on there. Anyway, all right, let's go. I need to put this in the black. That's why I needed a little bit more black there. And off you go. Make sure you've got one foot in front of the other. Oops, I'm missing the side there. I lifted it up. I lifted the side up. I shouldn't have. Alrighty, let me just get this little bit here. Like so. Alright, now I need to turn it around. Hopefully we're going to have a nice dark stripe through the center there. Just somewhere for the eye to rest. I personally like that. Now, you can see that I've touched the silver here and I'm dragging silver across. So I just want to put a little bit of black there so that I'm not dragging the silver across again. Hopefully trying to put my plastic into the black, and I'm just turning it over so I've got a clean side to work with, and back into the black. Make sure it's touching all the way, and off you go. Over the edge. Alrighty. That's looking really pretty. Now this is where we can torch. I think I dragged my plastic off to the side like that. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to do anything with it now. Now let's torch. We don't need to because I've got lots of cells there already, but we'll just do a little bit of a torch. a lot of those, a lot of the cells that you can see that popped up straight away, they were more from the Floetrol. And now that I'm torching, those cells that are popping up, those little round ones, those are more from the silicone oil. So there you go. What do you think? It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, it is, it is. Alrighty, let me take you down for a close-up. Turn that light off. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? So as I said, it just, you know, it probably doesn't look all that attractive right now while it's wet. But it will. Now you can see the difference. Look at those cells there. You see the gold ones? Those are the silicone oil cells. And see those ones that are all squished together? Those are the Floetrol cells. So I've got a mix between the two, which I don't mind. I don't mind that at all. I think it's quite attractive. It's a bit interesting to look at. And then I've got my black center through the middle there. So yay! I will make up some more of my glue and water pouring medium because I like it better, and I might go again and just show you the difference that Floetrol makes in a pouring medium. Would you like that, or you're not fussed? Oh, look at that, it's a quick video. We're only on almost 12 minutes. Woohoo! So let me know what you think of this one. Does it look a bit like fireworks? It's very busy, isn't it? That's the Floetrol. All right, yeah, let's make up some more pouring medium, and I'll go again without the Floetrol. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy New Year. Stay safe. Bye for now.